guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video, and this one, guys, has been one that I have not filmed in a long time, and a subscriber recently asked me about it, and I was just like, you know, you guys don't really check for them often, but I do still receive them, so I am gonna do them because it doesn't hurt. I always get the best products in these subscription boxes I'm talking about now, and I'm always using them. So the products that I do get out of these boxes. So I decided today I would go ahead and pick one of them back up. Maybe I'll do the other two. I'll think about it. However, we're gonna go ahead and get into this one. Is the one that I actually don't like as much. It's the Ipsy Glam Bag, the Ipsy Ultimate, because the Glam Bag Plus is the one for $25. This one is the Ultimate. And I'm still thinking about going back down to the Glam Bag Plus because I always liked those when I got them. But the Ultimate, I was like, meh, some of the little extra products that they throw in there, I really don't feel like I necessarily need. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and bring my June's Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate to you guys because there are some nice products in there and I wanted to share them with you. I may or may not bring the BoxyCharm ones to you, and surprisingly BoxyCharm has not been my favorite lately. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into this video. So I will tell you the one thing that I absolutely love about the Ipsy Glam Bag Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate is that you do get these really cute makeup bags, and I love these. These are perfect if you want to, I have so many makeup bags. They're perfect if you want to put like toiletries in there, if you're traveling, obviously, but if you want to put toiletries in there and hand them off to the homeless, or drop them off at women's shelters, putting like sanitary napkins and things like that in there, these are great for that. So I do love that every box does come with a bag. This one is really cute, summer themed. There's just a bunch of women in there, bathing suits, women of all shades and colors. I love that. I think that this is really, really cute. It's a little corny, but I love that. So that's that. I do have on a full face using these things that I received. Obviously, whatever products I filled in that I didn't have in this box, but in this bag. But I'm actually really impressed with how my look came out. So I want to hurry up and get into it because I'm super excited. Now, there were two things that I did not use in this box, in this bag. And one is the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. This is what it looks like. And this is just a deluxe sample size. It's a cleanser. I did not use this because I had already washed my face and all of that stuff. And then the next product that I did not use is this Mind Tan Body Skin Exfoliating Coffee Scrub. This is just what it looks like, and this is for your body. You're supposed to use it to kind of get off the dead skin and all of that. So I actually will try this one, but again, I had already showered and all that, so that's why I wasn't able to use that. Now, let's get into all the other products. So first thing is first, this is the, there you go, Sella by Celine Tadrisi Cream Rose Lotion. This is lotion, and I love the packaging on this first and foremost. It's so, so beautiful. I love this packaging, and this is just what it looks like. I did use it today. It was pretty hydrating when I put it on, but now I'm back to like normal skin. It has a very nice scent. Don't let the Creme Rose make you a little nervous about it because it's not overly heavily rose scented. It smells really nice actually, and it's a very light scent, very wearable without being overwhelming. So I do like this. I think it's great to throw in your purse for hydration. So there's that one. The next thing that I got in there was this really small sample size of the Murad Resurgence Renewing Eye Cream. And this is what it looks like. It's just a sample size of it. I did use this under my eyes today for some hydration. And actually, this is a small sample size, but it is a lot. Like, I used way too much today, so I wasted quite a bit of product. But you only need a little bit to put under your eyes. So I really did enjoy this product, and I enjoyed the moisture that I felt like it gave my under eye. So I will definitely probably use that up. The next product that I tried was this H2O Hydration Oasis Nourishing Gel Cream. And this is what that looks like. I use this as a moisture focus. I use this as an all over moisturizer for my face, and I really did like the consistency of this. I also liked the smell. It was just a nice fresh smell. Not too overbearing and scented, but it was a nice, there is a smell to it. There's a nice fresh scent to it. I did enjoy this as well. And I believe these two are sample size products, if I'm not mistaken. So I think I get like 5 or 6 full size products and then the sample products. So there's that. Now let's get into all the things that I actually used. Well, the rest of the things that I actually used. So I did get 2 eyeshadow palettes, which I was kind of like, that's weird to get 2 eyeshadow palettes, but actually I enjoyed both of them quite a bit. So the first one that I got is the Balm Cosmetics Auto Balm Pick Perf Shadows on the Go palette. This is what it looks like, and I've spoken about the Balm Cosmetics on my channel a number of times. I love their packaging. I think it is very cute. It's that vintage like oldies type packaging and is super super cute, and I absolutely love their packaging. This palette was really really nice. I did use this on my eyes in conjunction with the other palette that I received as well, but this is just what it looks like. All of the colors on top are shimmer colors, and I didn't use any of those, but what I did use was this right here, which is a primer for your lid. It's a neutral primer, and then I used the St. Charles color down here as my transition shade. I deepened my eyeshadow. The really deep color that you're seeing is this Pennsylvania shade. So I did use this whole bottom row here on my eyes, and then I used it in conjunction with this beauty right here. This is the Douce Freematic Eyeshadow Pro Palette. So I love this. First of all, I love how nice and clear and big this mirror is. And then these colors are so perfect for me for every day. This is something, if I carried makeup in my purse, that I would throw in my purse. Like, this is the perfect everyday palette for me. I would love to use this as an everyday palette if I was a person that wore makeup every day. These shadows do come out. This is a magnetic palette, so they do come out of there. But what I used on my eye today was quite a few of these shadows actually. I used every shadow, these 3 shadows on the top. Sorry, these 3 shadows on the top. I did not use the black. And I used these 3 shadows on the bottom. I did not use the burgundy. And then this highlighter, baby, that's the highlighter that I'm currently wearing. It is stunning. I love the way it looks on my face. It is just a beautiful, beautiful highlighter. So there's that. I love this palette. Both of these palettes are very, very nice. I obviously like this one a lot more because I feel like the colors are definitely more everyday wearable and more neutral in tone. For me, I feel like I could do a whole look with this. So I love this for that. This one, I could probably do a whole look out of, but I just would prefer this one. So there are those 2 products. The next product that I got in here was the Huda Beauty Basic Beige Straight Edge Sponge Applicator. Here it is. Hated it. It's absolutely, I hate it. It does increase in size. So there's that, but I just don't like this. I didn't like the way that it applied my foundation. It just didn't seem to work very well. It didn't blend everything out seamlessly for me. Y'all know I have been absolutely loving this e.l.f. sponge. Is this e.l.f.? Yeah, e.l.f. sponge. Hands down way better than this one, and this is a $5 product. So I hated the sponge. I will not use it again. I hated it. Honestly, I didn't like it at all. The next product that I received in here is the Il Makiage. Here it is. It is the Il Makiage Infinity Longwear Matte Lip Cream, and it is the color Danger, and it is what I'm wearing currently. I was a little like skeptical of putting this, hesitant to put this one on because this is more of a fall color to me, I feel like, but on camera it actually looks a lot brighter, and I think it's very wearable for this time of year. I don't know, I was just thinking it was going to be more fall appropriate, but this packaging You guys know I did an Il Makiage review of their foundation and their concealer. I'll link it up here if you haven't had a chance to check that out. Their packaging is absolutely amazing. Actually, right now I have the foundation right here. Here's the foundation and here is the concealer. Their packaging is A1. I'm not a huge fan of either one of those products, to be honest. I like the foundation is okay for everyday wear, but it's just not the coverage that I thought that they made it to seem like it was. And I don't like the concealer at all. But the packaging is A1. Now this product I absolutely love. It went on with a moussey consistency. It's not like drying because it doesn't feel super dry on my lips at all. I'm able to move and be comfortable. There's a little bit of transfer, but for the most part, it dries pretty matte without transferring. This packaging is sturdy. This is glass. It's heavy. This is stunning. I love this. Absolutely love this. And then the last product that I received, I didn't talk about this. Sorry. I got the Dr. Brandt Luminizing Primer. Here's the one I got. I already owned this, so I used the one that I already had so that I didn't open the new one. I'll probably give this one away. So yeah, I have this product already. I like this product already. I use this product already. So there's that one. And then the last product was the Laura Geller Spackle Mist Restore Coconut Water. You can prime, set, and refresh. This is what it looks like. I love this. The mist is perfect for me. I love it. The scent is fresh, not overbearing, and it feels like what I do is I always spray myself and I drench myself and then I take my sponge and kind of pat everything in. Love this. I will probably repurchase this. You guys know I'm a setting spray fiend. I love setting sprays and mists and all that. I've been really loving my Makeup Revolution one, but I like this one as well. I love the mist on it. Very similar kind of, but love this. So overall, for this month's Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate, I am very impressed. I loved almost everything that I received. The only thing that I didn't really love was the Huda Beauty sponge, and the things that I didn't try, of course, I don't know how those work. So, but everything else was amazing. I've been really on the fence about canceling the subscription because it is $50 a month. And when I compare it to my Boxy Luxe, which is $50 quarterly, it just didn't compare to me. But for this month, I actually did really enjoy all the products that I got except for that one sponge. So I definitely do recommend that if you're someone who's wanting to get into makeup, trying it out. Maybe not the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate, but the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for sure. I was a huge fan of that and I loved that. So but there's no need for me to get both. So that's why I just get the ultimate. So yeah, there's that video. I hope you guys enjoy that. Oh, real quick, if you love my lashes, I recently did a magnetic lash video. Amazon lash, some lashes that I got from Amazon. This is what the packaging looks like. Can you see? Quivange is the brand. I'm actually doing a giveaway with them right now. It's open until the 8th of July. So I will link that video up here if you want to check it out for the instructions and the rules on it. But these lashes are so bomb. And today I actually did the liner without a wing. And so I'm really impressed. This lash style is gorgeous. So beautiful. So again, I'll link that video up here so that you can check it out and get entered to win that giveaway. I don't know, y'all. I might be on this magnetic lash liner thing because it's so simple to do. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Make sure that you're taking care of yourself, washing your hands, social distancing, all that good jazz. Make sure you're loving on each other, guys. The world is in such a desperate state right now. We need love, peace, help, happiness. There's just so much going on. So I'm definitely praying for all of you. Prayerfully, you're praying for me. And yeah, we'll get through all of this together soon and very soon, I'm hoping. Anyway, that's it. I love you. Bye.